Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and thank you for watching. Today I'm going to create the look that I'm wearing right now, and it is something which is sort of an everyday look, but at the same time it's nothing which is too formal, but yes, you can wear it formally as well. I was just breezing through my videos and I thought that I have never ever done a video wherein I have used all the products from MAC, because MAC is one of the brands that's available globally and it has a wide range of products when we talk about base to final lippers, and I love each one of them. It is something on which each and every one of you can get your hands on, and I thought that why not to create a look using all the MAC products. So this is the look that I've created, everything from MAC, and I'm sure that you will like it. I'm going to start by priming my face, and today for my primer I am using this Strobe cream from MAC, which is in Goldlite. This is something that provides instant radiance to your skin, and if you have dry skin you must get your hands on this. Now for my foundation, I'm going to use the full coverage foundation, which is Studio Fix Fluid, and I am going to mix NC35 and NC25 today for myself and apply it with a damp beauty blender. This foundation is great for oily skin, but if you have dry skin, that Strobe cream underneath works beautifully, and it is an absolute full coverage foundation. Now for my concealer, I'm using the Prolongwear concealer in the shade NC42, and I will apply this again with a damp beauty blender. Prolongwear concealer doesn't move all throughout the day and stays in place. Now I'm going to highlight my face, and I am going to use this Prep+Prime highlighter in Light Boost. I will apply it on all the high points of my face, under my eyes, in the center of the forehead, my nose, my cupid, my chin, and yes, to make my contour look more prominent, little on the sides as well. And for the contour, I'm using the Studio Fix Perfecting Stick in the shade NW50. I'm going to blend the highlight areas using the damp beauty blender, and for my contour, I'm using this Real Techniques brush to blend the contour. But for my nose, I love this MAC brush, which is Oval 4. Once the cream part is done, now I'm going to set my face, and for setting my face I'm using NC30 in Studio Fix powder, and I will set my under eye areas with this Real Techniques brush. I'm going to dip my brush into this powder and tap off the extra, and then I will apply it under my eyes, on my nose, on all the high points of the face. For the rest of the face, I'm using this Mineralize Skin Finish powder in the shade Light Plus. Now it's time to give some color to my skin, and I am using this Mineralize Skin Finish powder in the shade Give Me Sun. It's such a beautiful bronzer, gives you a nice sun-kissed glow, and I'm applying it with the Sigma brush F10. For my blush, I'm using this Sheertone blush in the shade Pinch Me from MAC, and I'm applying it with a Sigma blush brush. I'm not going to apply too much of blush for this look. Now it's time to highlight, and I am going to bathe myself in Fix Plus from MAC. I will spray it all over my face and let this dry for a few seconds. And now I'm going to use this Extra Dimension Skin Finish powder in the shade Oh Darling with this Anastasia highlighting brush. I'm done with my face, and now I come to my eyes. I'm already done with my brows, and I have already primed my eyes. For my eyes today, I'm going to use this warm neutral palette, and as my base color, I am going to use this color which is Brulee. And I'm just applying it with this Anastasia brush that came in one of their kits. Now I'm going to take MAC 217 brush and dip it into this shade Saddle. And I will just work this color in my transition area. Now the next color is this one on the top, which is Dark Blue, and I'm going to use the same brush and apply it just in the outer corners, blending it little towards inside. And now just in the outer corner of the eyes, I'm going to apply the color Dance in the Dark using a crown brush. It's C528, and I am just applying it in the outer corners and will blend it with the same MAC brush. Now I'm going to repeat the same thing on my lower lash line as well. I'll start working with the color which is Saddle, and then I'll use the color which is Dark Blue, and finally the color which is Dance in the Dark just in the outer corner of the eye. Now I am going to apply a nice wing liner with this, because I think with this kind of a look, a wing liner is going to pull off the look very well. And I'm applying this MAC Liquidlast liner, making that perfect wing. And I'm also going to tightline the upper lash line as well, just to make my wing liner look very, very neat and classy. Now it's time for my lips, and I'm going to outline my lips with this lip pencil in the shade Whirl. And fill my lips with this matte color which is Taupe. taupe is one of a beautiful color that goes very well with almost all skin colors. Oh yes, I completely forgot to put mascara, and I'm going to apply MAC Extended Play Lash Mascara on my lower lashes because I have got lash extensions done and I don't apply these mascaras on it. So here I am with the final look, all matte eyes, perfect lips, perfect base, everything from MAC. And I'm sure that you all would have liked it. In case you liked it, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload. So I think that's a wrap, and in the end I would just love to say that I love you all, stay blessed and keep watching.